My name is Jordan Adorno, and I just want to tell you a little bit why I chose Union College. Yes, what just came into the mail today, my degree finally came in, man. So let's take a look at it. Come on, baby, come on. Show them what it looked like. Before choosing Union College, I was going to a university. I was working 40 hours a week and had a family at home, and it was tough to be able to go in person to class. But now at Union College, being totally online helps create a flexibility for my schedule. I'm able to spend time with my baby girl and my wife, and I'm able to have some free time for myself. With that being said, I was able to get my degree while having a newborn baby and working 40 hours a week. My degree in environmental studies and sustainable business. So big shout out to Union College for allowing me to have the opportunity to do this. And man, I'm so excited to use this degree. I'm actually using it for my business, my clothing brand, to make a more sustainable clothing brand industry, and also to spread awareness for some of the injustices that animals go through. And in the long future, I want to use it for my own wildlife conservation. Thank you.